Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my new video. Hope you all fine. In this video I am going to share with you summer kurti design. These designs are so beautiful and trending. Friends, you can get different stitching ideas from this video. I hope my video is helpful for you. All these kurti designs are so beautiful and attractive. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. Friends, you can get different related video for my channel, so visit my channel. Thank you so much friends. Allah Hafiz.